Life comes with a lot of projects, and those projects need a lot of stuff. That's where Ford trucks come in. And when it comes to Ford trucks, Baxter Ford Truck City has all the right sizes, all the right packages, all the right service, all the right deals. So when you start shopping for a truck, there's only one place to stop: Truck City. Truck City is your city. Truck City is Baxter Ford.